Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a lazy hair Monday because girl, you either get the face or the hair. Today was the face. I was not feeling like doing anything to my hair. Anyways, today's video I have for you guys my Boxycharm unboxing, and here is my box that for some reason every month after I open it I just cannot put it back to how it was. Like I cannot. I've tried, it doesn't happen, and I don't know why I always I never wait to unbox it on here for you guys. I'm not patient. As soon as I get it, I open it right away because I want to see what I got. Sometimes I check what I'm getting in the box and sometimes I don't. This time I did, and I kind of saw what people were going to be getting from all the sneak peeks, but there was one product that I didn't know what it was going to be, and now I do. Now let's get started. Let's get right in. This month's theme is the how do you say it? All Naturale. Natural. That's this month's theme. The card is super cute. I just love this neon shade in the back. Really cute. I'm gonna start off with this. One of the most exciting things in the box is this Butter London palette. I really like the packaging. It's super cute. It's cruelty free. It is the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette, and it retails for $32. Let me show you guys the inside. It's a beautiful palette. Really pretty shades. I'm going to go ahead and do swatches. Enchantress, Queen, and Star. I probably am doing them in the wrong order. But the shimmers are really pretty. I will say the mattes are very powdery. They do have a lot of fallout, so if you're going to use this palette, do your eyes first and then your makeup, like your foundation, because it does tend to stick to the skin. The fallout sticks to the skin, which is something very different for me. This color is probably one of my favorites. It's called Diva, and it's like a gold. Kind of like a gold with, yeah, it is gold with a lot of glitter flecks. Then we have Temptress, which is the brown, and Femme Fatale, which is a blue. Now the blue is more of a muted blue color. It's not super vibrant. You definitely have to build this one up when you're using it. So you can see it looks a little more muted on my eyes. I didn't apply any base, and that's because I wanted to see how pigmented the palette was without any help. So I just did my foundation and set my face, even my lids, with my translucent setting powder. And that's basically my base, but I could have used my P. Louise base or a brighter concealer to help it pop more, but I really wanted to know how it worked without a base, and this was the outcome. So yeah, the colors are very pretty. Now I'm going to say that something that I do really like a lot about this palette is the shade Enchantress, which is what I have on my cheeks. Okay, beautiful. You can use this as a highlighter, and I feel like if you're deeper or darker in skin tone, the color Diva will be perfect for you. As you guys can see right here, I mean, if you don't pack it on like a swatch like I did, I tapped my brush into it and it's came out to this. I also mixed the color Enchantress and Diva in the inner corner, so if you're medium skin tone, you can do that and it's apply it as a highlight, and it's really pretty. As you guys can see, it's kind of
next level. Next level.
what else can I say about this palette? The packaging, again, is beautiful. Now, is it a palette that if I saw it that it was launching, I would buy? No. Will I keep it? Maybe just for the highlighter I'll keep it. If not, I will probably end up giving it to my mom. Just FYI, my mom loves these Boxycharms because she gets all the things that don't work out for me or that I do not like. She gets all of them, so she's happy too. So this will probably go to her, and they're colors that are probably right up her alley. Probably except the blue, but all the other shades I know she'll use, and she'll really put that to good use. Next we have the Luxie, I don't know how to pronounce this, Gaia? I hope I'm pronouncing it right. If I'm not, I am so sorry. And this is a 3-piece brush set, retails for $30. Now, I can never have enough brushes. Like, if I see a new set coming out, I want it.
I just ordered another brush set.
I just remembered. Anyways, I love the brand Luxie, the Luxie brushes. They have really, really good brushes. This is a 250 large eye blending brush. I didn't actually use this one because I remembered until I was like already done with the crease color. So then I just used these. This is a Luxie 510 foundation brush. Now this, I don't like this style of brushes for foundation, but this is what I applied this highlighter with. Like just this brush, blended it out with this, applied it. Beautiful. I think I just found my favorite brush to apply highlighter. I will continue to use it as my highlighter. I also like to use these style of foundation brushes for my masks, like to apply masks. This is what I like to use. And then this brush, oh my gosh. Okay, this is the Luxie 246 Precision Crease Brush. This is like the perfect brush to do a cut crease, to apply glitter. But for me, I know it's going to be amazing to clean up my eyebrows because it's a little stiff. It's not super flimsy and it's not like super, super hard. You can still maneuver it and it will still move. But the precision it's going to give me when I clean my brows, I'm already excited to use it tomorrow to do that. And
that's how excited I am. I just dropped it.
So this is probably one of my favorite things from this box because I'm just so excited. I have brushes that I use to clean up my brows, but they, you know, they're not like my favorite. I use them because that's all I have and I haven't found like the perfect brush. I feel like this is going to be the perfect brush, and if it is and I like it that much, I'm going to see if I can buy it, like backups of it, 2 or 3, so that I can have multiple on hand. Next is from the brand Elemis. I have never tried anything from them. I've heard it's a good skincare line. So they we got the Super Vital Veggie Mask, and this is a nourishing prebiotic green mask. And it's advanced skincare. I did try it today and I was actually very surprised. I applied it, right? And then I read the instructions. Like, of course, it's such a me move. And then it says, apply the mask twice weekly on cleansed skin. A slight tingling may occur while the mask works its magic. It wasn't necessarily a tingling. It felt minty on the skin, but not burning, not uncomfortable. It just felt nice and minty, which I really, really like that. And then it says, remove after 10 minutes with a damp, dark cloth. I've never seen anything say that, any mask. It says, if contact with eyes occurs, rinse thoroughly, may stain fabrics. So when it said may stain fabrics, that's why they tell you to use a dark cloth. Now this has a price of $35, which is definitely up there in price. Once I like cleanse this off my skin, I wash this off my skin, I dried my skin and I noticed that it made my skin super, super soft, but it was also matte, like not drying or over drying. It just, my skin looked matte but like super clean, super weird. So I will continue to use this because I feel like it also helped with making my skin look super nice prior to applying my foundation. So I feel like my foundation laid on my skin much nicer. I don't know, I really like this. Although it says to only use twice a week, I will stick to that and not use it more than that. Okay, the next item is this Luna by Luna lip gloss. I had never heard of this brand. It retails for $18, and I at first honestly thought I was not going to like it. I swatched it and I was like, that's not for me. Let me swatch it again. It's kind of not holographic, but it has like a pink sheen to it. Like, you definitely have to apply a lot to get an actual glossy look on your lips, and you will see in the demo how many times I applied it. That's the only thing that I don't like about it, because I mean, I want a gloss that I'm applying it and it's looking glossy, not a gloss that I have to go over it like more than 5 times to get a glossy look. But once I did all that, I mean, it does look glossy. It's not thick, it's not sticky. It's a nice like formula. I just wish it was a little bit more like a glossy gloss. And lastly, we have this Kogendo Spa Cleansing Water Cloths, which retail for $17. This is the only thing I was like, I wish I would have got something else. I also wish I would have gotten the Alamara Cosmetics gloss, because I was really like crossing my fingers to get that gloss. It just looks so pretty. Or at least the, like, what is it called? The Ofra Cosmetics. I think they were giving a different color liquid lipstick, so I wish I would have got that. I've never tried this brand. I think it's a Korean skincare brand, and I only use one brand of makeup remover wipes, and that's the Neutrogena ones. These are my ride or die since forever, since they became a thing, since they hit stores. Honestly, I feel like I've been using them since I was 16, and I continue to buy them. I love buying them in bulk at Costco. So I will try these out. If I don't like them, I will just use them to like clean up my arms when I do swatches and stuff like that, just so I can use them up. It does come with 10 cloths, and like it said, it is a makeup remover. So that's basically it for this box. I feel like it was kind of like a boring box, honestly, like a filler box before the good months are to come, like the end of the month, end of the year months, or the next boxy looks. I feel like this was just like a filler month. Sometimes when you guys feel like it's a filler month, I am in love with everything I got. I feel like this month I'm definitely the kind of like the negative Nancy. Two things that I am very happy with are the Elemis mask and this Luxie brush set. They're my favorite things from this box. I know my mom is going to love this. I already know it. So this is another good thing. For me, like I said, it's just this two. If you already received your Boxycharm, let me know what you got. If you got the same thing as me, or if you got a different version. Did you get the Alamara lip gloss or the Ofra liquid lipstick? Please let me know. I always like to chat with you guys about what we all got. I think it's so fun. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching and for supporting. As always, I appreciate it so much. And like always, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.